I want you to assume for 2 minutes that you have won a lottery. Assume that you have won a lottery and whatever you want to earn from your coaching journey, you have already won. That's been credited to your bank account. There's a tring tring voice coming. This amount has been credited to your bank account. What are the 5 top things you will buy from that amount? Please write it down right now. Fast. You just have 1 minute. What are the 5 things you will buy from that amount? Will it be a car? Will it be a building? Will it be a house? Will it be some kind of luxury? Will it be some kind of electronic gadget? Or will it be giving it in charity? Will it be donating it? Or will it be using for your own sake? Will it be investing in diamond, silver? Or will it be buying small, small things for your family? Have you written? Done? Now draw a tree on the paper. Draw a big tree on the paper. The bigger the tree, the bigger the branches. The bigger the branches, the bigger the fruits. The bigger the fruits, the sweeter they'll be. So जितना बड़ा पेज है उतना बड़ा ट्री ड्रॉ करिए, उतने बड़े फ्रूट्स ड्रॉ करिए. And make roots of the tree. Have you ever plucked a flower? Obviously, you can't pluck a tree, but have you ever plucked a flower and see the roots? कैसी होती है roots? ध्यान से उस thoughts को वापस लाओ. कैसी होती है roots? It has some hair structures. It has some pinpointed at the last. Remember how the roots are and make the exact kind of roots you have seen in that flower. It is very important to replicate those roots. If you remember with some hair, make it like that. Now name those roots. What do you think is necessary for a mango tree to be grown? A mango seed. If a mango seed is being put in, remember these sentences because these are some rewiring sentences I want to put it in your mind right now. If a mango seed is to be put in, what will happen? A mango tree will grow. It will have the roots which will help to grow a mango tree. Similarly, if whatever income you have decided right now which you want that tree to grow. What are the root values you require? What are the root values? Remember that. They are not the values which you are inconsistent at. If my values say I have to wake up in the morning 5 a.m. every day, if it is my value, that means out of 30 days, I'm waking up at least 28 days. That is my value system. Now, for being a good coach, what are the values you require? Is it honesty? Is it integrity? Is it perseverance? Is it consistency? What are the values? Just write 5 values. Now, what you'll do is, once you have done and written, flip it to another page. You will only use this part of the page. If you have a notebook, first try the notebook that it should be not be lined for the next time. Lined notebook nahi use karni for the entire coaching journey. It should be at least this much, not a very bigger one, not a very smaller one. And use these sides pages. Don't write here, write here. Draw here. Flip it to the other page. Have you seen how a small baby grows? इतुसा हाइट लंबी होती है, फेस का स्ट्रक्चर बदलता है, बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर बदलता है, and all of those stuff happens. Similarly, in a plant, what happens? It grows from a seed to a plant to a sapling to a tree. Have you seen that? Can you replicate the same drawing on the fresh page? Make a seed drawing, make a plant drawing, make a bigger plant drawing, then a bigger plant drawing, then a tree drawing. Can you do that? 5 steps. Can you do that? Seed, plant, sapling, bigger one, and a tree. The seed is your thought. Go back to the day when you decided to be a coach. What is the thought thriving you to become a coach or a trainer? I'll give you an example. If you ask the doctors why they became a doctor, they will for sure say, some of them will say, we saw so many people around us who were not getting right medicines or right service. So we decided to become a doctor. Some doctors say it was a pressure from our parents. यही बनना है because मेरे parents doctor हैं. That was a thought. There is just one thriving thought. Just एक thought होता है और वो एक line होती है. That's only just one line. I don't want a paragraph. उस seed के नीचे write that thought which is thriving you to become a coach. It has to be one line, maximum 8 to 10 words. The day you decided to be a coach, is it done? We'll be really fast. The second diagram was of what? A small plant, small sapling, itusa, with this much height. That's your belief. Now, what is the belief which is making you go forward? Is it, I will, this profession has a lot of money? Is it that belief? Is it that belief I want to help people out? Is it that belief this profession is easier than a 9 to 5 job? Is it that belief that if I'll be a coach, I'll get more respect in the society? Is it that belief I need to be independent? Is it that belief I need to prove it to my husband, family members, and children? Is it that belief I am not able to fulfill my dream, so let's try my hands into being a coach? What is the belief pushing you forward? What is the belief making you go forward each day? Or let's take it this way, what is the belief holding you back? It can be either. If you think there is a belief which is pushing you forward each day, write that. If you think there is a belief which is pushing you back, write that. Done. We are moving forward. Let's buckle up our speeds. The next is now the plant has a flower. It's grown. The third step is now the plant has a flower. The flower is your driving force person. Either we are doing it for that person, or we are doing it to prove it to that person, or we are doing it because of that person. Do you know the difference in all these things? Or are you doing it with that person? वो फ्लावर है, वो पर्सन जो आपकी इस पूरी कोचिंग जर्नी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. आइदर विथ, आइदर फॉर, आइदर along, either because, either to prove. The flower is that person. And ऐसा person आपकी लाइफ में would for sure exist. Please write the name of the person and point it towards the flower. Next, the fourth step. We have a lot of flowers, lot of flowers, lot of flowers, lot of flowers. We don't know, but when we become a trainer or a coach and we start getting money in our bank account, or we start serving people, we are getting a lot of testimonials. There will be a stage for all of you when these things will be happening. The flowers will be the random people you are proving to. But I want you to name those people today. Our human ego is a kind of trait of humans which gets activated. Please listen to it carefully. Which gets activated once we are going towards the goal. Do you know the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people? It is not unsuccessful people never tried. They tried. They even stepped upwards, but their ego had led them. If they were here and they jumped to here, their ego dragged them here, here, here. Why? Because as they were going up, their ego turned from we to I. And when a coach turns from we to I, the coach gets dragged to not zero, but minus 100. And now those flowers of your plants are the random people you're going to make them satisfy or make them prove to. As you'll get the financial benefits and emotional benefits, which is a lot of compliments, lot of testimonials, your ego will start giving sessions rather than you. And that is bound to happen. It's completely okay, trust me. It's a human trait. I want you to name those random flowers of your life and name them as such who you're going to prove in the coming future. And write the names and then cross them off.
Mehal, I
Hi.
didn't get it. Means you are saying ki those who are letting us down
No,
or
let me
because of
explain.
whom?
Let me
Yeah.
explain. Allow me 1 minute. Let me explain. Yes, Sanjana ji. I'll tell you a story wherein I'll not name, but there was a person who became a coach, a trainer. And when she started off, she dreamt of earning a lot, getting a lot of compliments, and having a lot of testimonials. All right. What we all want. But once she started getting all of those stuff which she ever wanted in life, now her focus turned from serving people to proving people that she is worthy. And the irony was that she was not proving to the clients or to the people, but she was trying to prove to her family members that she is worthy. She was trying to prove to her friends that I am one of the worthy friends. So those flowers on the plant are those people who you are going to prove in the future that I am worthy. See my account. I am worthy. See my testimonials. Got it? Write the names above the flowers. Make an arrow like that. Write the name of all those people. Once you write, cut all those flowers. Cross it. And under it, write, I am not going to prove it to anybody. In the last, the tree. Make the tree. And now replicate the same tree you made. The roots will have all the values. And this time, the fruits will be what you yearn in your coaching journey. You got what I said? You'll make a tree, you'll write the roots, which you mentioned on the previous page, and you'll make fruits hanging on from that tree. And the fruits will have what you yearn from your coaching journey. Maybe serving, maybe earning a revenue of 1 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, whatever you want. It's completely your choice. Let me narrate you a story of Tony Robbins, sir. Tony Robbins, sir, we all know Tony Robbins, sir. He's one of the best life coaches in the world. He was born in 1960 in California. And he was born in such a middle class family that his mother was a drug addict, and his mother was not just a drug addict but alcohol addict as well. And he has brothers and sisters, and he had to take care of them. A very middle class, very broken family with drug addicts, alcohol addicts, emotionally draining situation, right? One day he decided it's enough is enough. And why did he decide that? Let me narrate the incident to you. One day he was doing a grocery shopping, and he did not have enough money to pay for the groceries. And there was one guy, a tall, handsome guy, who paid for the groceries and said, it's on me, I'll pay for it. Till the time he could just turn and say something to him, the guy paid and the guy went. That was the moment he decided enough is enough. Now is the time to change my life. He took training under Sir Jim Rohn, who was an NLP coach back then, because he believed in the idea of you have to learn before you earn. If you spell learn, it is Learn, and if you remove L, it is Earn. So if today you are learning, you are designing your future of earning. You get what I'm saying? If you wish to earn, you need to learn first. He wrote the book Unlimited Power, and today his courses start from 1 lakh rupees. People from India go for just his 3 days event, spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees, not just on event, but on the flight tickets, on the stay, on the food, just to experience his unlimited energy. The knowledge Tony Robbins sir has is a vast ocean, I agree. But what's more exuberating and charismatic about him is his energy. He has the ability to speak 24 by 7. Did you know that? Even if sometimes you would imagine he has such a sore throat, he's speaking for continuously 5 hours, but the sixth hour he's still with the same energy. And that is what is a trait of a coach. So in your roots, please write one of the traits. It's what? The ability to be consistent. Do you know the story of the founder of OYO, Ritesh? Did you see him in Shark Tank? All the sharks who are billionaires, millionaires have this much ego. You can sense it through the words. But when Ritesh ji speaks, how calm, how sweet, and how innocent he is. Just see a Shark Tank episode. Right, Shark Tank, Ritesh Oyo founder. You'll get one video, see one pitch. You'll see the difference. And he is a bigger billionaire than all the sharks sitting there. But money didn't define me. So the next value you need as a trainer is don't let money define you. Please write it down. Don't let money define you. The third, do you see sometimes what happens? There is a new company which gets opened and the product is extremely nice. But as the company is progressing and earning profit, they to increase their profit margin, they decrease the quality. आप देखते हो when the new company is being born, you buy the products, but after some time the same product is valued lower because they want to increase their profit. Do you see that? Have you experienced that? Don't do that. Third value, never compromise on quality. These three things and values, and nobody can stop you from being a successful trainer or a coach. If I tell you the finances of Tony Robbins' 3 days live event, it starts from approx 2.50 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees for a 3 days event. No stay, just the event. If you ask me about the life coaching charges, it's approx 4 lakh 40,000 to 10 lakh rupees. If you ask me about 12 months program of Tony Robbins, sir, it starts from 10 lakh rupees to 40 lakh rupees. And if you ask me about executive coaching charges, it is approx 4 to 5 lakh rupees, maybe for 1 or 2 sessions. And if you want Tony Robbins sir to take these sessions, it is charged even more. So now what you have done, you have defined your fruits, you have defined your roots. Have you ever put your finger in an electric switch? Have you done that? Have you done that? Can you feel the shock? Can you see the shock? Why? If you can feel it, you can see it. Can you feel the air? Can you feel your breathing? You can feel, right? Can you see the air? Can you feel God? Can you see God? That means there are some things which you can't see but feel. That means the outer world can be seen, but the inner world can't be seen. Inner world can be felt. There are 3 mantras. Please write it down. These are my favorite 3 mantras. Make impact, experience growth, earn wealth. If you make an impact in other person's life, you will surely experience growth. And if you experience growth, you will make an income or make wealth. But let's see vice versa. If you will make wealth, you will not be able to make an impact or experience growth. You will just make wealth. I'm leaving this decision up to you. You want to start from the first mantra and go to the third, or start from the third mantra and stuck on the third. I'm nobody to pressurize you to start from the first. It's your decision. I am here to make you help make money and wealth. If you tell me I want to start from the third mantra, completely okay. But if you want to go by the exact mantras, कभी देखा है जब हम कोई पुराने ग्रंथ या पढ़ रहे होते हैं तो क्या कहते हैं स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ो. कभी आपने कोई पार्ट को बीच में से पढ़ा है? कोई मंदिर में कोई मंत्र को बीच में से पढ़ा है? इफेक्ट होता है बीच में से पढ़ने का. तो आप स्टार्टिंग से मंत्र शुरू करोगे, इट इज ग्रेट. So what is the first mantra? Make impact. Second, experience growth. And third, earn wealth. इनर वर्ल्ड में ये 3 mantras को एज अ कोच just write it down. Okay, so that you're not letting money define you. हमारे पूरे वर्ल्ड में 4 spheres होते हैं. Mental sphere, emotional sphere, spiritual sphere, and physical sphere. Not fear, sphere. Mental, emotional, spiritual are inner spheres or inner blocks. The physical sphere is the outer block. If you want to change the outer one, work on the inner one. It's a 3:1 ratio. In my childhood, I was not very good at maths, but I always knew that 3 is a bigger number than 1. Is there anybody who says no, 1 is a bigger number than 3? Can surely contradict my statement. No? सबको लगता है 3 is a bigger number than 1? Are you sure? I hope I'm not lying. So the 3 comes mental, emotional, spiritual. Here comes physical. You want to change the physical, work on these 3. Because even if you work on 1, do you know what's the magical part of us is as humans? If you work just on 1, all of 3 gets aligned. But if you work on physical, you have to work all your lifetime to make it right. Again, it's your completely choice. I always say it's better to work on this and all spheres gets affected for good than work on this and keep on working for lifetime. Do you know the difference between active income and passive income? For active income, you have to work for lifetime. For passive income, you work just once. You are an intelligent human being. You work just once, then sit back on your bed, munch, watch a movie, and your bank is getting credited. Similarly, here it works. You work once, everything gets sorted. You don't have to work again. You once have the ability to get detached, it's for lifetime. You once have the ability to stand strong and have strong emotions or be patient or be calm. It's for lifetime. But in physical, you have to work actively till the time you're 90 or 95. The question is up to you. Would you like to be an intelligent human being? Sure, go with that strategy. 3:1, work on the 3. So this is how the 3 worlds work for us. The 3 worlds are ours. The 4th one is not ours. Spiritual is ours. Mental is ours. Emotional is ours. The physical is not ours. Never say physical is ours. Let me tell you a very 2-minute tip. If something is affecting you, and I made this trick today in the morning when I was walking down the house and I was thinking about something, that how can I implement something in my life to move emotionally one step up. And I made some 5 rules for myself I want to share with you. And you can also make. The first one is a good high and a good buy. It doesn't matter whether you like that person, you don't like that person, you're offended with that person, you're not wanting to that person, but greet with a beautiful smile and say a bye with a beautiful smile. No matter she's your friend or your enemy. Doesn't matter. That leaves your first and last impression. The second was communication is the key. Learn to speak. Learn to use words. If you're not a good communicator, you can't become a good coach. C for communicator, C for coach. If you fail to communicate with your dear ones, you will fail to communicate as a coach with your clients. These are the 3 C's of life. Communication, coach, clients. If you think you're not able to communicate properly with your dear ones and family members, and you say the sentence, ये तो समझते ही नहीं है मेरी बात, how will your clients समझो your बात? Who are meeting you for the first time in your life? You're getting it? Start small. So today, go to all the people जो आपको नहीं समझते थे आज तक, आपको लगता था they don't understand you. Go to the people, sit with them and make them understand you till the time they're not understanding you. You get what I'm saying? If you think your husband or your children doesn't understand you, sit with them and make them understand your point. Don't be angry, be patient, be calm. Your anger won't make them understand you. The third rule is I am not defined by my past. I am defined by my present, and I have the ability to create a beautiful future. I am not defined by my past. I am defined by my present, and I have the ability to create a beautiful future. Written. The next is nothing in this world can shake me. Nothing in this world can disturb me. Nothing in this world can affect me. Show that you are a real coach. If there is something happening in your house and everybody around is taken aback, is worrying, you be the person smiling. Hasna nahi hai, you'll be the person smiling. Please don't laugh at that point of time. Your family members will ask, what sessions are you attending? Is it a laughing therapy? No, just a small smile. Don't let your outer world define your inner world. So say, nothing in the world can affect me. Nothing means nothing. And the last, but not the least, is my emotions, my responsibility. My emotions, my responsibility. Do you remember what was the school thinking? It was don't make mistakes. Our school used to say don't make mistakes, but you still used to give us an eraser to erase our mistakes. Remember? You remember? Why? Because teachers knew that children are going to make mistakes. Similarly, in business schools or business thinking, they say make mistakes, but you don't have an eraser this time. Make mistakes, but you don't have an eraser this time, which means you have the chance to learn from your mistakes if you make a mistake, but you don't have a chance to erase those mistakes. I'm not here meant to make you afraid of the fact that you can't erase your mistakes. But here at Ziva, we give you a platform to make mistakes. Though that can't be erased, but we let you see the world through your own eyes. But we are here as a backbone, helping you to make those mistakes only which you can afford in the coming future, which you don't regret about. It's not like from today on you won't be making mistakes. No, we'll be letting you make mistakes which you can afford, but not those which you can't erase. Got it? Can you have thumbs up? If you got my point, please show me a thumbs up. Is it good? Is it good that you're in the safe hands? Even if you don't have an eraser, you're not going to make mistakes that are going to trouble you for the next lifetime. The only luxury in life is education and learning. And that is why we go by the fact hashtag luxury in learning. Whatever you're getting right now is very luxurious. Not because we are teaching you, but because the wisdom, the knowledge, the education you are taking in is going to be with you for a lifetime. I can't take it away or snatch it from you. Your clothes can maybe degrade with time. Maybe your house needs a new paint with time or reinvestment. You buy clothes every time. You paint your house, you need a new television every few months, every few years, but you don't have to invest on the same education twice. Once you learn life coaching, you business coaching, you don't have to invest in again. You have to invest to expand your horizons, but not in the same horizon. Got it? What we're going to do is we're going to make a personal recipe of success right now. We are going to go into the breakout rooms in the pair of two. And what we're going to do is we're going to discuss all the roots, all the values which we wrote and draw, all the people. It has to be an elaborative discussion. You're going to get 10 to 15 minutes for that. 7 minutes each. If the other person is speaking, please don't interrupt in between. If the person needs advice, let the person complete and then give the advice. Got it? Don't give your advices. You be a good listener. Don't be a good communicator right now. Be a good. Show me your ears. Be a good. Be a good listener. Amazing. Turn on your cameras. We are going into the breakout rooms. Once you discuss that, you're getting 2 minutes to discuss your personal recipe of success. Personal recipe of success is, please write it down. Mistakes plus learnings equals to success. Mistakes plus learnings equals to success. Tell the other person all the mistakes you have done till now in the coaching journey, all the learnings you have derived from it, and then say, I am successful. Just give a virtual high five and say, I am successful. Because mistakes plus learning equals to success. Got it?